Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to hide files or folders on your desktop. I use Windows 10 but it works on any Windows, so we will create here new folder and we will open the folder here, go where is view and click on the options, click on the change folder options and then select view and tick don't show hidden files and folders, apply and OK. So folder is still here but we will change it already. So here click on the right click on the folder, click on the properties and then tick here hidden, click on the apply and folder is gone. If you want to get this folder back, just do reverse steps. I will show you how to do that. Click on the File Explorer, click on the View, click on the Options, change folder options, click on the View again and show hidden files and folders, apply and folder is here. Thanks for watching, please like, share and subscribe.